Hi there, I'm Magi Helena. This video will explain what you need to know before a reading with me. I'm the only woman and one of only two certified level 4 Magi astrologers, the highest level, and I've helped thousands of people across the US and in 40 countries worldwide to understand more about themselves, the people in their lives, and how to harness the power of the universe to achieve their dreams of love and success. Magi astrology is star science. It is strictly based on 30+ years of statistical research. This is the key difference between science-based astrology and all other types of astrology. Because it's a science, it works whether or not you believe in astrology. The best way to prepare for your reading with me is to give some thought to your objectives. What do you want to know? What do you want to achieve? It can help to make a list of questions in advance in the order of their importance to you. You do not need to send me your question list. Just have it handy when we talk. I want you to know that I take confidentiality very seriously. I will never name you or any other people we discuss outside your session. I will never discuss your session with another person, including your partner, your best friend, or even your mom. I just don't do it. Please fill out and submit your info form at least 24 hours before your reading. If you have questions about other people that you want to ask during our time, be sure to get their birth dates, including the years. If you need to ask about a business, get the incorporation date if you can. I like to have all birth data input into my programs before we start. If you have burning questions, please let me know early enough in the session so that we can give them full consideration. Please don't wait to ask the most important stuff until 5 minutes before time is up. Even if it's a quick question, there may not be a quick answer. Some people want to start off our session by giving me a little bit of their backstory. Some people prefer to give me no background info at the beginning, whether it's to test me or just get a totally cold reading. Either way, it's absolutely fine, but it really helps you get the most out of our time if you tell me what you're most concerned about in the beginning. This will help me use our time to speak to your specific concerns in much greater detail. By the way, I never Google clients before a reading. I do not want to start out with any preconceived ideas about you. Probably the greatest fear people have about getting a reading is that I'll see some terrible fate lurking in their future. Let me tell you, there is no absolute destiny written in the stars. The stars reveal potentials only. You always have the free will to choose a different path. You and any other people in a situation always have the free will to change the situation. As we go along in your reading, if good times are coming, I'll help you to know how to maximize your opportunities. If challenges are threatening, I'll help you to understand how to minimize or even avoid problems entirely. Now, it's really important that I say a few things about honesty. Pretty much everyone says they want the truth, but for a few people, that's really the last thing they want. If you don't want the truth, I am the wrong person for you. In my opinion, it's totally unethical to just tell people whatever they want to hear if there's no basis in fact. Hey, giving good news is more fun for me too, but if that's not what's real, it can really set you up for disappointment or heartbreak. I won't lie to you. You can't make a good decision if you don't have the facts. Honesty is my policy, but I'm always gentle and never harsh. I gauge my readings on what I feel like you're ready to hear, and I'm always focused on keeping it positive. And the upside of honesty is this: if I tell you something really wonderful, don't doubt it. It's really there. Okay, a few words about interpretation. Every planet has more than one symbolism, and when multiple planets are combined, there are many possible meanings for the combination. I will always describe the most likely meaning first. Please tell me right away if anything I'm saying doesn't resonate for you, and I'll either try to clarify it or just move on to the next most likely meaning. And no matter how often I hear it, I always love it when my clients tell me, I've nailed it. I give a fast-paced reading because I want to give you as much info as possible, but always feel free to interrupt, ask questions, ask for more information at any time. More important information, including info about my U.S. and international conferencing service, session recordings, etc., is below. Okay, let's do this thing. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you. Got more questions? Get answers on MagiHelena.com or email me through the website.